In recent days, the U.S. Air Force confirmed the use of B-2 Spirit stealth bombers during Operation Epic Fury, targeting Iranian ballistic missile sites. The deployment once again placed one of America's most discreet strategic assets at the center of a high-precision, long-range strike mission. More than 3 decades after its first flight, the B-2 continues to play a central role in operations that require deep penetration into heavily defended airspace. The B-2 Spirit was developed during the final phase of the Cold War, when the United States sought an aircraft capable of penetrating dense Soviet air defense networks. Designed by Northrop, now Northrop Grumman, the bomber adopted a flying wing configuration optimized for low observability. Advanced composite materials, radar-absorbing coatings, and carefully managed heat and acoustic signatures were all integrated to reduce detectability. The aircraft was publicly unveiled in 1988 and completed its first flight on July 17, 1989. After an extended test and evaluation phase, it entered operational service in 1997 with the 509th Bomb Wing at Whiteman Air Force Base. A total of 21 aircraft were built, reflecting both the program's cost and its highly specialized strategic purpose. In modern warfare, the B-2's primary role is stealth penetration and precision strike against high-value, heavily defended targets. Unlike conventional bombers that may rely on escort aircraft or suppression missions, the B-2 is designed to operate independently in contested environments. It is typically tasked with neutralizing critical infrastructure such as command centers, air defense nodes, and ballistic missile facilities in the opening phases of a conflict. This mission profile was demonstrated during Operation Midnight Hammer several months ago, when B-2 bombers carried out long-range precision strikes against fortified military installations. Flying directly from the continental United States with aerial refueling support, the aircraft underscored its global reach. The same capability was evident again during Operation Epic Fury. In response to escalating tensions, B-2 bombers were deployed to strike Iranian ballistic missile sites, assessed as hardened and strategically significant. The choice of platform reflected the requirement for low observability, precision, and the ability to deliver heavy ordnance against protected infrastructure. Technically, the B-2 remains a distinctive aircraft. Powered by 4 General Electric F-118 GE-100 turbofan engines embedded within the wing, it flies at high subsonic speeds and can operate above 50,000 feet. Its unrefueled range exceeds 6,000 nautical miles, and with aerial refueling, it can reach targets virtually anywhere in the world. Operated by a crew of 2, the bomber can carry up to 40,000 pounds of ordnance within internal weapons bays that preserve its stealth profile. Its avionics and mission systems have been progressively upgraded to maintain operational relevance. Improvements to radar, secure communications, and defensive management systems have allowed the B-2 to remain integrated within modern joint force networks despite its age. A key element of its strike capability is the GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator, or MOP. Weighing approximately 30,000 pounds, the GBU-57A/B is designed to destroy deeply buried and hardened targets, including underground facilities and reinforced missile sites. The B-2 is currently the only operational aircraft capable of delivering this weapon. In operations such as Epic Fury, where underground ballistic missile infrastructure may be involved. This capability provides a unique conventional option against targets that standard munitions cannot effectively neutralize. Although the B-2 has been in service for over 30 years, it remains operationally relevant. Its low observable design continues to complicate detection, and ongoing modernization programs have extended its service life. From the Balkans and Afghanistan to Iraq and more recent missions in the Middle East, the aircraft has consistently been used for missions requiring precision and survivability in contested airspace. Looking ahead, the B-2 will eventually be complemented and replaced by the Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider, a next-generation stealth bomber currently in development and testing. The B-21 is expected to incorporate updated stealth architecture and improved maintainability, but until it reaches sufficient operational numbers, the B-2 will remain a core component of the U.S. strategic bomber fleet. More than 3 decades after its introduction, the B-2 Spirit continues to fulfill the role for which it was designed, penetrating advanced air defenses and striking critical targets at long range. Recent operations such as Midnight Hammer and Epic Fury illustrate that, despite its age, the aircraft remains a central instrument of U.S. power projection in high-risk environments.